Why are you still dealing with loud noises when earplugs exist? We're surrounded by distracting sounds wherever we go, from busy shopping malls to crowded airports. This can lead to reduced cognitive performance and productivity. Luckily, Lysian's foam earplugs got me covered this holiday season. These earplugs are great for sleeping, working, studying, or any environment where you need quiet. Now I can actually focus enough to get my tasks done in a fast and timely manner. The CDC says that about 70% of people exposed to loud noise never or seldom wear hearing protection. Survive the holiday season with Lysian earplugs. Get yours today.